Hello and welcome to episode 234. I'm your host, Mr. Gaming, and I'm playing OTTD on a huge Europe map. Happy Monday, everyone. So first out today is to get some livestock moving, and milk as well. Those are coming from here. So I'm not exactly sure what the idea was with this, to be honest, but I'll just I can't bring it on that side. I would like to bring it on the other side, I think. Which means here, right? Yes. Good, done. Put in something up here. Do we have, yes, we have a signal going out, so that's great. This will also be just a short station. That should be there actually. Fixtures, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. There we go. Short little station in Venezia. Done. And put these on. Good. First of all, let's move the milk. So we'll have milk to Aosta, so that is a little bit of a trip. Like that. I'm not sure. This one produced 36. Okay, so 200 is basically what we can do. Milk. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 130. And that's 190. And we can take one of those as well. Let's do it a little bit differently. 3.6 in length. Oh, we can actually... we can put one more, whatever. Good. Milk. Full load. Waypoint here, waypoint there. Can I get to... Yes, I can. Okay. Waypoint here. Through Novara and to Aosta. Okay. Novara again. Oh, I didn't go through that one. I was thinking, why didn't I see that one? That was because I hadn't clicked on it. Then down the Po Valley again. And into the depot. And clone this one. I'm not sure if 3 is needed, but whatever. Yes. Good. Then move over directly to livestock. Don't need to do that, we need to do this. Livestock it is. I think I can use the same one. Livestock is there. The problem with this is that it's not loading very much, if I remember correct. 192, but that's what we'll have to do. Make a full load. And this one is going over to Bolzano. So through this waypoint, and into Big, or BLG actually, and depot. Good. This is a shorter one, so let's just do the 2 on. Should be fine. Then I have an issue with the train, I noticed. We'll need to find train 2514 and see what the problem was. I don't even remember it myself. 2514 is here. Okay, this one has the same issue as we sorted. So it sorted the orders for this one, but it didn't sort the fact that it actually had a stupid order to start with. So let's do that and see if it goes to depot. That seems to be happening. So all good. Perfect. Back to Italy. Back to Venice. So next up is to get some plant fibers moving. So that is from this one. Well, one thing to do with this would be to bring it up here. I'm not sure if that will actually make any difference, because they can do it that way. It will, however, reduce the traffic a little bit on the other lines, and it maybe improve the flow a little bit as well. So this one needs to go out this way, otherwise it just doesn't work, which is really not what we want to do. If that is the case, that means it's impossible to turn around here. But anyway, so let's, yeah, this one at least don't have any use at all, because it can't go anywhere. Because if this one will go over there, then this one doesn't make any difference at all. Anyway, so in that case, maybe it's possible to get, no, it's impossible to get the diamond there, because you can't get the tracks out, I think, or maybe you can connect that one on this one as well. We'll see. So I'll just make this to a no single track here. 10. There we go. We can just bring this one over, make sure that we actually hit the centerpiece here. Boom. Boom. That ended up not in the middle, but whatever. Good. Depot on. Plant fibers to start with. They are going to Milano. This one is producing 56. That means 150 or a little bit more plant fibers. We can do 160, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 160. Plant fiber it is. And make a full load. Bring it through Padova. Here comes the problem. Oh, it's there. Okay. We'll do Verona waypoint and in here. And then the same way back. These lines will just be totally overcrowded. That's whatever. Need to figure some better solutions out, maybe. Done. Then let's get over to Livestock. It will be the other one here. Make sure that we have a connection. Livestock it is. Need to have a unique name, of course. I built the other one just like 2 minutes ago, and I had already forgotten about it. Livestock, boom. And that should be 192, right? Yeah. Station, make a full load, and again get over to VLG and back. Boom. Clone this one, so we have 2. Should be enough. No, this one is actually producing much more, isn't it? It produces 56. It's almost twice as much as this one, so we might need 3. Good, those are sorted. Then we need to get some farm supplies going. Those are coming from Padova, and that's this thing here that we have put on farm supplies for. Oh, it's actually coming. That's great. Look at that. No. Why is this one there? It makes no sense where. So we have done something wrong. It can't get to Göttingen waypoint, I guess. So what did we make wrong here? And you can see that we are missing a piece of track there. Are we missing one piece of electrification somewhere? On the way out? No. That don't seem to be the case. Okay, this one can get in but not out. That's okay. Oh no. I can see what problem we have here. Boom. Hanover local authority are not allowing us to do this. Can we do it that way? Yes, we can. Okay. Well, that was a silly mistake. So this one needs to turn around. It can't. Let's turn around again. Then it can get out of the station and the other things can start moving. Right? We have some farm supplies here. That's great. This one is... Oh, it's going that way. Can we see that we can actually get these out of the station? Come on. Oh, this one is also going that way. It's quite jam-packed here now. Let's pause and put on signal here, signal here, signal there, and signal here, just to get stuff moving slightly faster. We have one there, I think, which means one here. I can't do anything with this piece, but that's okay. Good. So we now at least have something moving here. Good, Padova. It was good that I looked, because otherwise they will just have been stuck there forever. Well, sorry, until all 4 trains were full, because then nothing will be in the way, so then they can get going. Padova. So let's put this one on here. And farm supplies. Boom. So we'll just use the normal setup. Farm supplies. 2, 1. So this is a really short trip, so I'm going to use the same train for both of these farm supplies. So it will just go in here, make a full load through the waypoint to the dairy farm, through the waypoint to depot, and again waypoint station, make a full load, the waypoint over here, and station there, waypoint here, and depot again. That should be enough. Good. Next up is to get some chemicals going. Those are coming from Trieste. This is going to be a nightmare junction thing, but whatever. I can remove that piece. Chemicals. Trieste chemicals. From here, new vehicles. I'm not sure how much chemicals this one will produce. It did actually produce something. That's great. Let's see. We have one in Paderborn, which is here. That one produces 500 tons. So if we say 150, I think there are 3 chemicals going out from here, maybe. I just have 2 on the list right now. I think there is a third as well. So, or maybe not. But I'll just prepare for 150 chemicals. That is 150. Boom. As usual, go into the station, make a full load. Didn't need to do that, but that. This one is going to Bolzano, so that means following this route. We're on a waypoint, and there isn't any other waypoints sending into Bolzano. Good. Chemicals is here, and depot. Good. And I'm going to put 2 on. I should put 3 on actually, and send these immediately somewhere. Udine waypoint. They will clog up anyway, but less so. And then put on the other line. So the other chemical line will just have the same setup. 2 of the... It was a while ago since I did that. I was about to do it the other day, and then I realized I shouldn't. Let's put that on the opposite way then. Chemicals. And this one is going to... Oh, it's only going here. That's right. Oh, that means it needs to go into Venice and turn around. Okay, yeah, whatever. So the entrance waypoint, make a full load at the station, go through this waypoint here, into Venice, into the industrial park, back to Venice, through that waypoint and into the station. And in Venezia, there is no loading and there is no unloading. No loading, no unloading. Good. And the bloody phone is making noise. Good. So that line is now also fixed. Perfect. So we now have both sand and chemicals coming in here, which is great. And that means they are soon going to produce a little bit. So let's put on some manufacturing supplies here. Need to do that. Boom. Manufacturing supplies. So I would think that we do 100. That seems to be quite standard. Boom and boom. So we are going to start. Oh, we need to put on the waypoint maybe. Boom. Manufacturing supplies. So let's get in here, make a full load, and then bring them through Padova waypoint, Ferrara, and to Bologna, because that's the first one. Done. Do I need 2 on this line? Most likely not, but let's make it 2 anyway. And this one will immediately be sent somewhere. Clone this one and send it to Milano. Let's remove these. Get through Verona waypoint to Milano East. Come on. And back. Good. Same here. Put 2 on. Let the other one go immediately. Next one is to Novara. Remove Milano, delete, and Novara is... It has to go through here, right? There is Lugano, by the way. Go to Novara Portland. There are no waypoints there. It should find its way. It's not that far, so it's okay. Clone that train. Again, send it somewhere else. Send it moving. Remove those. Clone again. And this one will just go to Verona, which is the furniture factory. And because that one line is shorter, I'm just going to use 1 train here. Done. And kick all of them off. Perfect. Next up is to get the line over to Ferrara. So I'm going to put on a bridge out here. There is one next to Ferrara anyway. I'm going to put this one between, well, through here and connect this one up, and I need to connect that one as well. So let's see where we put the station in Ferrara. I can remove this piece of thing anyway. I could make the bridge here actually, thinking about it. Boom. We are not going to have any shipping, I believe, on the port. I don't really have shipping on any river, to be honest, which is a little bit sad. I'm just not too smart enough to figure out how to do that. With the trains and combined with ships. It shouldn't be that difficult, but it kind of is sometimes. Let's put this station, we can make actually a longer one, so we put the station here. That would make sense. So let's put one on down here. There, Verona, Ferrara Mill, and then put one on this side as well. Boom. Should I have one over here as well, maybe? No, the station will do it. No need for it. Okay, put in the station. Oh, by the way, We'll need to figure something out with that. Canadian platforms as per usual. Let me see, Ferrara, and there we are. Get the junction work done, and then get this one moving in this direction. So the station for this one will end up here. Is that close enough? Too close? It might be. We'll see if we can sort this out. It's too short to do it there, but it can be done here. Fixtures. We can do force on this side. No, I didn't want to do that. Ferrara, Portland. There we go. That became a little bit of a build. That's because they hate us, but whatever. It's kind of common practice lately. Or actually, through the entire game, it has been common practice to be hated by the cities. Even though they get good connections and everything, but nope, you removed a tree. We have one there and one here, one there and something here. There will not be any other connection before this one, so I'm going to put that one on, just so we get it done. Wrong place, because I believe this will fit perfectly down here. Yes, yes it does. So let's scoot over. Connect this up. Good, with the exception of that one, and we have a junction even here. Perfect. Put those in. Unfortunately, I think this one is too short, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's absolutely perfect. And this one should be there. Good. Done. And the next project is to actually connect these up and continue south all the way through San Marino to Ancona. So I'll at least start with the first piece here. These are going to miss, that's fine. Let's bring them down there. I think that's the correct one, right? Boom, boom. There we go. We need the station in Ravenna. I'll put the other stuff first. I can't imagine that we'll have any shipping going out from Ravenna. That would be surprising. They have a little bit of weird layout of the roads though, but well, that's okay, I guess. Let's put on bus stop here. Boom, and a bus stop here. Boom. remove this street because it's no longer needed, because it just connects this one and it doesn't need a connection. Then I'm going to put on a Canadian platform station here in Ravenna. And Ravenna will not have any other incoming, so that's okay. We can just put this one here. Boom. No issues, they hate us, which is okay for now. And I think these will fit here, right? Yes, they did. So when you can build tracks, lay tracks like this, then building is actually quite a fast exercise. But when you get stuck in the mountains, then it takes forever. And we are now going into some mountain areas again. So we need to connect San Marino, which I would assume will get its station here. Oh no, it has this one here. Ooh. Can we do that? We can do it there. That's good. Good to know. So we can put one in here. And then we can put one in here. Boom. Remove the street. Good. And that means we'll have a street here, house there, station here. There, rather. So let's see if that's doable. We don't have much room because we have risk of ending up in this one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 2, I need 2, and I can turn just in front of it, I think. So we'll have to see if that's doable or not. I would suspect that they're going to be really angry with me for doing this. They already are. So do we have 8 here? We have 7 there. Okay, we now have 8 there, and we can make 1 more there. Is it possible to make them happy again? Not easy. Not easy. Ooh. I'm a bit worried about this one. To be honest, I could start even here. Oosh. Good. I need 1 more though. That I think is everything, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that means just flood everything with trees. It was doable. Okay, great. I'm not supposed to be doing that, by the way. I think was one of the rules, wasn't it? Built. And now they can be as angry as they like. So what I have to do is that I need to fill out here so I can build a junction. Do we have a line going somewhere else? I would not think so. We'll have that from Ancona, but I don't think we'll have anything from here. Maybe to the south though. That would make sense, just to get some trains not going through here. That would make sense. But to the north, no. I need to do a lot of land racing here, unfortunately. Which will make it very difficult to get this going in a good way. Remove those. So I have to continue racing land here to get to this side. Unfortunately. Yeah, come on. Then bring it over. and down. I'm not sure how much we are going to miss. It's not too bad actually. Down there. I'll fix this one, by the way. I'll just bring this one up here, I think. Even though we have the thingy there. Let's just bring this one over here. Connected. A new country, San Marino. Boom. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, we don't do that. Fix. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's where we are going to connect the grain mill. I think it's going to end up a little bit off, but that's okay. Let's do that immediately. Boom. I'm not sure if we can connect here. Okay, yeah. We can do 2 off here, that's fine. Make an exception. I always make an exception for myself. Put these on here. See what we can do on this side. So it had been great if we could scoot over and get out somehow. And that seems to be difficult. There is one missing piece of track room here. So we'll have to simply do that, which is really not preferable, but that's what we have room for. We could maybe do it here. No, we can't. We can get this one past, but not the other one. So this one will have to do the same then. Weird stuff. There and there. Okay, good. So this one will just continue down again, I guess. We'll attack Ancona from here. So we get this one in a good spot. We'll probably have a connection from Terni to Ancona, is my guess. It actually has valleys for it. Look at that. And then over this one and then down here. Perfect. So that means we could actually put a junction here where this line comes in, meets this line, and we have that there. That might not be a bad idea actually. However, we need to make sure that we can get around from Ancona, so we don't end up in some weird stuff. I would actually like to have the station here. So we have a street, a house, and a station. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means we don't have room for the junction, right? So we have 1, 2, 3 to get through there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's no way of doing that. Okay. Well, that will be postponed to the next episode anyway. And that will come tomorrow. So until then, have fun. Thank you so much for watching and take good care of yourself.